best SSDs for Steam Deck. The Steam Deck, a revolutionary portable gaming PC, has taken the gaming world by storm. Unfortunately, this ultra-compact system will most likely not have the internal storage capacity to keep up. Giving your system a high-performance SSD upgrade will go a long way towards upgrading that gaming experience. Here's a rundown of the best SSD recommendations for your Steam Deck. Some key aspects when it comes to choosing an SSD for Steam Deck include performance, capacity, power efficiency, and compatibility. The ideal SSD will be single-sided with an M.2 form factor of 2230 and peripheral component interconnect express solid-state drive PCIe 4.0 into 4 interfaces. More powerful units with triple-level cell TLC NAND can work even better. Here are the best 1TB SSDs for Steam Deck. Corsair MP600 Mini 1TB offers high performance, good power efficiency, and TLC NAND. Sabrent Rocket 2230 1TB, a cost-effective option with TLC NAND and a range of capacities. Inland TN446 1TB, inexpensive and offers a long warranty. Here's the best 2TB SSDs for Steam Deck. Crucial P310 2TB provides excellent power efficiency, high performance, and a new controller with faster QLC NAND. Team Group MP44S 2230 2TB offers high capacity, efficiency, and affordability, but uses QLC NAND. Sabrent Rocket Q4 2230 2TB, a quick way to get 2TB storage, but uses QLC NAND and is more expensive. Upgrading your Steam Deck SSD can increase loading time and even the general performance and battery life considerably. With the right SSD, you should be able to enjoy seamless gaming on the go.